Aloha! So, I got a box for this Holi festival and I ordered it just in time and it's super fun, but I do want to go through it because I think I told you guys a little bit. It's got a bunch of stuff in it and some of it is like stuff you have to make and other stuff is just like snacks, and I kind of want to separate them out so that we can enjoy the snacks at the party and then the rest of the stuff we'll figure out what we're going to do with. So this is the box. It says, if you can see that, it might be backwards, it says, "Your Indian snack fix has arrived." It's super pretty box. I don't know where exactly it came from, but the packaging says it's from New Jersey, so I don't know. And I already untaped it because, like I said, I went through it just to make sure nothing exploded, but I don't know exactly what's in here. And there's a cute little card that says, "Happy New Year. Thank you for trusting IndieFix with your snacking needs. As a minority woman-owned small business, we are grateful for your support. We hope to bring lots of delicious goodness to your doorstep in 2021. And then it says, "You don't just get a box, you also give a meal. Did you know that for each IndieFix box you purchase, we donate at least one meal to an Indian child in need? So thank you for getting a box and giving a meal." That's super fun. And this box is stuffed plump, you guys. So first things first, sweet corn vegetable soup. I didn't know Nor was from India, but at least this product of India. So, and I know that when we were in India, we had a lot of corn vegetable, like a clear kind of broth soup while we were there. So this will be reminiscent of that. I'm gonna set that to the side of not right now. So dry fruit chicky. I got another box of chicky, which I think is going to be very similar. It's kind of going to be like a nut brittle, but different. I don't know exactly what is in this. It says nuts, sugar, cashews, almonds, glucose, and pistachios. So that's going to be on the side of we can eat tomorrow. Masala oats, veggie twist. So this is something that you have to make. It's an oats with spices and stuff. Interesting. Then it has a packet of quick chai masala, sweet and flavored instant chai latte. So you just put hot water in it and it's got everything that you should want in your chai. This is manufactured in the United States in New Jersey, so. Okay. We got cocktail nuts, crispy and crunchy, cashews, peanuts, chickpeas, and green peas, perfectly spiced, no onion, no garlic. Nuts. I don't know. Everything's probably going to be backwards to you guys, I bet, huh? I hope not, but I bet it is. You'll get the idea. All right, so we can eat that tomorrow. We got mathuri, spicy fried wheat flour snacks. This is from India. And it looks like some sort of chip. All right, we're gonna eat those tomorrow. Crunchy and nutritious, classic pudina, roasted fox nuts. I don't know what fox nuts are, but sounds interesting. Product of India. We're gonna eat those tomorrow. Ooh, we got Maggi noodles. Desi cheesy brand flavor. That's awesome. We did try Maggi noodles when we were in India, in Jaisalmer, and they were really good. I mean, it's very similar to like ramen or ichiban or whatever kind of prepackaged noodles, but there's something special about these that for people from India that we are not going to eat tomorrow probably. Oh, there's a whole thing of hide and seeks in here. Oh my gosh, these are so good. So good. We are definitely eating these tomorrow. Savory chickpea flour noodles. Okay, so these we're gonna have to make. I don't know how to make them. Are they a chip? Flour noodles. I mean, they kind of feel like chips. I think they're chips and not noodles. I think they're noodle-shaped chips. Ready to eat. Okay, these are chips. I thought they were noodles, like we would have to make them, but I don't think they are. We're gonna try those tomorrow. Okay, so I got a mango drink. I remember seeing these a lot in India. I'm not even sure if I tried one. I think I did, but I don't remember. We're gonna try it tomorrow. Ooh, fun! There's some runaway candies. These are the coffee candies. I remember seeing these. I think we tried them. I can't remember because we tried so much stuff, but there's a couple of those. Oats, orange cookies. Product of India. They're orange cookies. Gem chickies, crushed peanut laddu, crushed peanut brittle. So they're little peanut brittle bites. Awesome. Okay, we're almost through this box, but seriously, this is like the never-ending box. Here's some Maska Chaska 50/50 crackers. It looks like they are onion and cheese, maybe? Lots of stuff for us to try tomorrow. Day Good butter cookies, yes. Okay, here's another chai drink. Punjabi cookies. Ooh, what are those? That looks yummy. They look like little coffee cookies, so maybe they're like something that goes with tea really well. Yay! Fig roll. Oh, these are like the Fig Newtons of India. Fig rolls. And we have Treat Cream Wafers Strawberry cookies. So really almost everything we can eat tomorrow except for like the Maggi, the oats, and the soup, and this. I don't know what this is for. I don't know what you do with this. But it says sliced dry ginger slices. Usage instruction, chewed after meals to refresh the taste of mouth. It says usage instruction, chewed after meals to refreshen the taste of mouth. I am probably not going to have these. I might have to give these to somebody. Like maybe I'll send these to Jonah's mom or give them to Earl, or maybe Jonah will like them, but I do not like ginger at all, and that sounds terrible. But maybe we'll give it a try tomorrow and see how we feel. Okay, you guys, that's the box. That's the empty box. The only thing that's at the bottom is a piece of tissue paper. I'm gonna put everything else back in this box except for the things that need to be cooked, and then I will share everything with the girls tomorrow. That's why I got all the ice cube trays and like the plates that I got, so that we could easily sort some of these things out and have little places to put all the little bits and bobs. So, all right, you guys, I will see you later. Bye.